Hi everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna introduce our newest version of the 13.8 inches Tesla system for doors RAM from 2009 to 2012. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the system and the new feature that come with the system as well. First of all, of course, it comes with 13.8 inches high definition screen. The screen resolution actually is gorgeous. It's very nice and very bright. Even under the sunlight, you can still see the screen very clearly. Another thing is you can also retain all the original button right here, like the parking sensor, like the exhaust brake, like the tow hold, traction control. All the button will be transferred to the new bezel. And of course, it's also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. Other than that, you can also control all the features under this setting. For example, you can go to console right here. You can see all the settings right here. You can control everything from the touchscreen. And this car also equipped with the Alpine sound system as well. As you can see, it comes with the Alpine sound system here. And it's also fully compatible. If your car doesn't come with the Alpine sound, that's fine. You can also, the system also comes with the DSP and also the equalizer as well. So you don't need to worry about that one. And if your car comes with the backup camera, the system also compatible with the original camera. Other than that, you can also use the climate control, the touchscreen, to control all the temperature right here. Finally, for the old version, you can only use the knob, right? For the new version, you can use the screen to control all the temperature right here. It's very nice. If your car comes with the automatic climate control, you can also use the screen to control all the temperature right here. I'm gonna turn on the vehicle. And I'm gonna show you how to use the temperature right here. It's basically the same. Okay, you can control the temperature right here because this car originally comes with the manual climate control, so it does not come with the dual climate control. However, if your car comes with the dual climate control, you can also use the dual climate control feature right here, and you can also turn on the AC button right here, and you can also change the mode. Everything is fully compatible. Other than that, I'm going to talk about the hardware specification of the system. The system comes with the newest generation of the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it also supports the 4G LTE. The system supports the 4G LTE. That means you can access to the internet if you insert the SIM card to the unit instead of using the Wi-Fi hotspot from the cell phone. Of course, if you don't want to use the SIM card, you can always share the Wi-Fi from the cell phone to the unit. You can also access to the internet as well. It doesn't mean that the unit does not come with the navigation. The system comes with the built-in GPS receiver. That means it also comes with the offline navigation. This is very useful. So even though without the data, you can still access to the internet, or you can still access to the navigation without connecting to the Wi-Fi. This is very helpful. Another thing is the system also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. It's fully compatible with the newest generation of the iPhone. I will show you step by step how to use the system as well. Let's go through a little bit on the setting menu right here. The system comes with a built-in theme. You can select between the modern style and the classic style as well. Let's check out how it looks like for the modern style. This is the modern style here. It looks like a Samsung tablet. And of course, you can relocate all the icon here, okay? It's very nice based on your personal preference. And in this video, I'm gonna stay with the classic style. It'll be easier for you guys to see that. And this one also comes with the daytime mode and nighttime mode. This is the daytime mode here. If you change the nighttime mode, everything will change to dark. You can also see the split screen feature right here. The upper part is gonna be the navigation. The lower part is gonna be the media content. You will show up everything right here. This is daytime mode here, and then you can also change the dimmer. Another thing is you can also leave it as the auto. This one will connect automatically to the headlight. So basically, when you turn on the headlight, the system will automatically switch to the nighttime mode. If you turn off the headlight, the system will automatically switch to the daytime mode as well. You can change the language right here. You come with many language here. You also come with the unit. You can change between the metric unit and also the US unit as well. The radio region, you can change you can select the country based on your area. You also come with the RDS feature right here. And the thing is audio. The system come with the equalizer. It provide you with many features here, which will allow you to adjust all the sound quality based on your personal preference. If you mess up with the setting, no problem. You can always click on reset and then the system will go back to the original setting, okay? So you don't need to worry about messing around the setting here. And go back. And then mic gain is the new feature. This one will allow you to adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. This is the new feature. This one significantly increases the performance of the Bluetooth. This is very helpful. And sound gain, this one will allow you to control the audio output on every single application, such as the radio, music, Bluetooth, and also the navigation volume as well. And the thing is the video. The system also comes with the video in motion. That means the passenger will be able to watch the video while the car is in motion on the road trip, such as, of course, this feature mostly just designed for the passenger. The driver better to focus on driving, right? And then the thing is the user. Default navigation app, you can assign it as the Google Map here, or you can assign it to Waze. You can download any navigation you want. You can also change the boot up logo here, boot animation, and app customize is another thing. This one will allow you to customize the shortcut here. That means, for example, customize 1 to customize 4. For example, I want to bring the YouTube icon to the main menu, no problem. You can also change here. It will also allow you to easier to access to the application as well. It's very nice. Other than that, basically, you can also change the time zone, under the Android setting right here. There's many features right here, but mostly you don't need to change anything here because we will set up the system for you. I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi. First of all, in order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you just need to pull down the menu from the top and then turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot of your cell phone. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you will be able to use all the applications such as Netflix. You can see that it's very smooth. The system comes with 8 GB of the RAM and 128 GB of the storage memory. Is more than enough. So basically, you won't feel any lag on the system. And also, you can log into the account if you want to enjoy the Netflix. You can download any application from the Google App Store right here. This is the newest version as well. And of course, you can watch the YouTube here. For example, I'm going to show you. It's very nice. Pull down and then go back. And other than that, of course, you can download the Tubi. Tubi is another app such as the Netflix. It's very smooth. You can also download, watch any video right here. It's very smooth right here. Other than that, the system also supports the split screen feature. Okay, just hold this one and then split top, and then, for example, I want the YouTube at the bottom, and then you can see this is very nice. You can have 2 applications running on the same screen. The screen is huge, so basically it's very nice. You can see that right here. Other than that, of course, you can use the SiriusXM. Not into your SiriusXM account, you can still access to the XM radio if you want the XM radio. And of course, you can download the TikTok.
Let me show you how to make some incredible hot Canadian.
It's very nice. The screen is huge. It's my first time to watch the YouTube in this big screen. And other than that, of course, you come with the navigation. Okay, this is the Google Map. It also comes with the off-night feature. How to use the off-night feature? Basically, you just need to click on the icon right here, select off-night map, search your own map, You can download the map data in your city, in your area to the unit. Once you download to the system, next time when you use the Google Map, you can use it as offline. You don't need to connect to any data or any Wi-Fi in order to use the navigation. Of course, if you want the real-time traffic data, then you probably need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. And other than the Google Map, of course, you also come the Waze. You can use the Waze as well. And you can download the media like the movie or the music to the USB, and then you can also play the media directly from the USB drive. So it's very nice. Okay, it comes with many features. And other than that, it also comes the weather app right here. It show you all the temperature here. The interface actually looks very nice. Compared to the older version, this one looks more modern, more revised, and very smooth. How to change the country? So basically, you just need to click on the icon right here, and then you can select your country, select your city right here. And other than that, I'm gonna show you the backup camera. This car equipped with the aftermarket backup camera here, as you can see. It's very clear, it's very nice. You can also change the brightness of the camera. It also comes the backup sensor and front sensor if you come with your vehicle as well. And other than that, a lot of people they worry about the screen stick out. No, actually, this basically is just a little bit, okay? As you can see, it's pretty much level to the dash, all right? Because this part is already a little bit lower, so you can see that this one is basically level to the top, okay? You will also be able to use the tray right here, okay? So you won't lose any of the original compartment for the storage. Other than that, I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay. In order to use the Apple CarPlay, you need to pair the Bluetooth first. Once you get paired with the Bluetooth, the system will automatically switch to the Wi-Fi at the background. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, both of them, they require the Wi-Fi channel. I'm gonna show you right here. First of all, go to Bluetooth here, click on the icon here, and then turn on the Bluetooth on your cell phone. Search the device here. For example, this one is D710. Connect. Connect to your cell phone. Pair. Allow. You just need to pair for the first time. Once you get paired with the unit, every time when you get onto the vehicle, the system will automatically connect to the Apple CarPlay, so you don't need to pair every time. It's very user-friendly. As you can see, it's already connect. Once it connect to the Bluetooth, this one will show as blue, and then you can click on Car Auto right here. For the first time, you need to grant the authorization on the cell phone. Click Connect to the Apple CarPlay. Now it's done. You can just leave the phone on the side and then wait for the system. The system will automatically switch to the Apple CarPlay for you. This is the Apple CarPlay interface right here. The screen is huge, as you can see, it's very nice. The Apple CarPlay will provide you with the feature of the music, navigation, phone call, text-to-speech, and all other application, all other features as well, except video. The Apple CarPlay will come with two interfaces. One is the split screen feature right here, as you can see the navigation on top and then the media playback content at the bottom. And then you also come with another interface, which is the classic style. It shows you all the icon on the menu right here. It's very nice. You can also change the wallpaper. I will show you how to do that. The system also comes with the voice control. How to use the voice control of the Apple CarPlay? Basically, you can just hold the button, hold this icon. What's the temperature today?
The high today will be 13 degrees Celsius, and the low will be minus 2 degrees Celsius.
Such a nice weather. Or you can bring me to the gas station.
One option is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham, a little over a kilometer to your
It's
east.
very nice. Or you can also say, call your people, call any people from the phone book. You can also use give the voice command to the system, and the system will also make the phone call for you. The navigation is here. It's very nice. In order to go back to the original menu, just need to click on home and then you will go back to the original menu right here. Go back to Apple CarPlay, just click on Car Auto here. In order to change the wallpaper, just like what I mentioned, just need to click on Setting, Wallpaper, and then you can select different style here. However, the wallpaper choices are limited. You can only select the wallpaper here based on whatever Apple provide to you. The way how to connect to the Android Auto is going to be the same as the wireless Apple CarPlay. First, pair the Bluetooth. Second, pay attention to the instruction on the cell phone, and then the system will do everything on its own. It's very nice. And I'm gonna go for a little bit on the setting menu right here. As you can see, it provides you with many features that come from the original. Of course, if your car does not come with this feature, it won't work. Daytime running night, you can turn on and off, auto door lock, and all this. You can change the temperature to Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can change the kilometer or mile. You can change everything from the menu right here, and you can also change the wallpaper here, and then you can also change the parking sensor, and then ring sensor, auto wiper. All this kind of feature is very nice. We implement all this kind of feature to the unit, and also the air suspension mode if you come with your car. You also come the tow hold. Of course, you can also control from here. As you can see, all these buttons they are from original. You also come the us button here if you come with your vehicle as well. Exhaust brake here. Volume is another thing. It will allow you to adjust the sound quality of the original amplifier. For example, if you want to increase the bass, you can also adjust it from here. You can turn on the surround mode here, and then treble, so all this kind of balance and fader, you can change everything right here. And the thing is the radio. The radio actually is very clear, as you can see. The sound quality actually is very nice. In order to save the radio channel, you just need to tap on the screen and then hold the icon, and then the radio station will be saved on the main menu. If you want to listen to the radio at the background, just click on home, and then you can still use the navigation here. It won't bother you while you're driving. And of course, you can also listen to the music from the YouTube. Oh, I need to connect to the Wi-Fi again. And also, you can download the tune-in radio, and where the app is right here. Everything is fully compatible. It provides you with many different features on this system. It's very powerful, and as you can see, it's fresh. It's fresh to the original dash. You don't see any gap right here. It's very nice. And the real angle of the unit actually is gorgeous. As you can see, it's very close to 170 degrees, and you can still see the screen very clearly. Okay, so, and the screen, we also provide with the screen protector by default. Okay, you also come the screen protector here, so you don't need to worry about the screen protector. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.